Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to work.
Where will you work tomorrow?
I will work at the downtown office.
When will you leave for work?
I will leave at 8 a.m.
Who will you meet at work?
I will meet my manager and colleagues.
Why will you have a meeting tomorrow?
We will discuss the new project.
How will you prepare for the meeting?
I will review my notes and make a presentation.
What will you wear to the meeting?
I will wear a formal suit.
Where will the meeting take place?
It will take place in the conference room.
When will the meeting start?
It will start at 10 a.m.
Who will lead the meeting?
My manager will lead the meeting.
Why will the meeting be important?
It will outline our goals for the quarter.
How long will the meeting last?
It will last for about 2 hours.
What will you do after the meeting?
I will work on the project tasks.
Where will you have lunch?
I will have lunch at the office cafeteria.
When will you take your lunch break?
I will take it at 12:30 p.m.
Who will you have lunch with?
I will have lunch with my friend John.
Why will you eat at the cafeteria?
It will be convenient and quick.
How much time will you spend on lunch?
I will spend about an hour.
What will you eat for lunch?
I will eat a salad and a sandwich.
Where will you go after work?
I will go to the grocery store.
When will you finish work?
I will finish at 5 p.m.
Who will you meet at the grocery store?
I will meet my neighbor there.
Why will you go to the grocery store?
I will need to buy some vegetables and fruits.
How will you carry the groceries home?
I will carry them in reusable bags.
What will you cook for dinner?
I will cook pasta and a salad.
Where will you find the recipe?
I will find it online.
When will you start cooking dinner?
I will start cooking at 6:30 p.m.
Who will you invite for dinner?
I will invite my friend Sarah.
Why will you cook pasta?
It will be easy and quick to make.
How long will it take to cook dinner?
It will take about an hour.
What will you do after dinner?
I will watch a movie.
Where will you watch the movie?
I will watch it in my living room.
When will you start the movie?
I will start it around 8 p.m.
Who will you watch the movie with?
I will watch it with Sarah.
Why will you choose that movie?
It will be a new release we both like.
How will you choose the movie?
I will check the reviews online.
What will you do after the movie?
I will read a book.
Where will you read the book?
I will read it in my bedroom.
When will you go to bed?
I will go to bed around 11 p.m.
Who will recommend you the book?
My friend Tom will recommend it.
Why will you read before bed?
It will help me relax.
How long will you read?
I will read for about an hour.
What will you do first thing in the morning?
I will brush my teeth.
Where will you go for your morning jog?
I will jog in the park.
When will you start jogging?
I will start at 6:30 a.m.
Who will you jog with?
I will jog with my friend Mike.
Why will you jog in the morning?
It will be a great way to start the day.
How far will you jog?
I will jog for about 3 miles.
What will you eat for breakfast?
I will eat oatmeal and fruit.
Where will you have breakfast?
I will have it at home.
When will you start working on your project?
I will start right after my morning meeting.
Who will assist you with the project?
My colleague Emma will assist me.
Why will you need assistance?
The project will be quite complex.
How will you manage the project tasks?
I will use project management software.
What will you discuss in the meeting?
We will discuss the project timeline and tasks.
Where will you store your project files?
I will store them in the cloud.
When will you submit the project?
I will submit it by the end of the month.
Who will review your project?
My manager will review it.
Why will you use cloud storage?
It will be safe and accessible.
How often will you update the project status?
I will update it daily.
What will you do if you face challenges?
I will consult my team and seek help.
Where will you look for solutions?
I will look online and in technical manuals.
When will you have your next team meeting?
We will have it next Monday.
Who will lead the next meeting?
Emma will lead it.
Why will Emma lead the meeting?
She will have key updates to share.
How will you prepare for the next meeting?
I will prepare a progress report.
What will you do if you finish the project early?
I will start on the next project.
Where will you celebrate completing the project?
We will celebrate at a local restaurant.
When will you plan the celebration?
We will plan it once we submit the project.
Who will join the celebration?
The entire team will join.
Why will you choose that restaurant?
It will have great reviews and a nice atmosphere.
How will you notify everyone about the celebration?
I will send an email invitation.
What will you do during the celebration?
We will have dinner and play some games.
Where will you go after celebration?
I will go home and rest.
When will you start the next project?
I will start it the following week.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.